Hey everyone, meteorologist Jordan Fraser here from the 6 News Weather Center. Boy, oh boy, the difference a day can make. Some strong winds from the south are really bringing up temperatures. About 10 to 15 degrees warmer than what we saw in the afternoon yesterday. I'm already up to 70 degrees in Temple, 68 in Waco. Yeah, we shot well above average. But you know what? If this isn't warm enough for you, that's fine. I got even warmer temperatures tomorrow. I got upper 70s, possibly even some lower 80s. That is, if the cloud cover will clear up just a little bit during the afternoon. Get a little bit of that sunlight, you get a lot more of that heating. But of course, these temperatures, they're going to be sticking around all week. So turn that heater over to the AC because we're going to need it. It's going to be above average for this time of year, possibly getting close to some records, although a lot of the records this week are going to be in those mid to upper 80s. I don't have any of that in the forecast. Tune in tonight at 5 and 10. Hope to see you then.